surrounds and shadows fall. When I can't rise, when strength feels small, I lift my eyes and call His name, the one who breaks the hurt and shame. I speak Jesus over doubt, over storms that rage in silence shout. I speak Jesus through the night, over darkness, let there be light. Hope and healing start to rise, chains fall